So here is the entrance to Miss Curl's signs and t-shirts. So when you backing in with the container, you're probably gonna have to, you can drive in, but I'm thinking by it being a 40-footer, you might want to bag in and come straight to the back. I wanted to give you a small video, that way you can kind of see where it was coming to. We have this truck right here, but we're gonna move it, so it's not gonna be there when you get ready to unload the shipping container. And we want it right down here. I put a couple boards to give you an idea. Like it to run horizontal this way. So from this board to that board over there is where we'll like you to sit it at. So that way we can be able to fabricate it here, and then we can move it, because probably have you move it again. So you'll be moving it again and picking it up from this spot. But I'm cutting it in half, and I'm placing half of it right up here. And we are about to level this ground off right here. We're gonna place it right up against the building. And then the other 20-footer that'll be here, I'm gonna have you ship it to another location. So just wanted to give you an update on the location and how I was gonna set it up. Hold on.